In this video, we are going to see how to make double crochet. Now I'm going to make the foundation chains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I made 5 chains. Now I'll start making double crochet. Again, I'm taking a loop over same way we did for half double crochet. I'm skipping 1, 2 chains from my hook, inserting into the third hook and taking over the loop. Till here it is exactly same as half double crochet, but the difference comes is yarn over. When you pull through loops, you pull through only first 2 loops and then again yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops. This is what we call a double crochet. Take a loop, insert into the next stitch, yarn over, pull a loop. We'll have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops. This is what we call half double crochet. Do each half double crochet on each chain stitch until we come to the end of the row of chain stitches. After finishing the row, the same way we did for half double crochet, here also we will make 2 chains and flip over to start the next row. So I have finished making my first row of double crochets. I'll make 2 chain now and then flip it over like this. Now again you will start working from right to left. Yarn over, insert into the stitch, pull a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops. Like this way, go into each stitch and work on your double crochet. Here one additional tip or something to be careful about is you have 2 places where you can insert your hook. One is here, which is the right way under the stitch we have worked before, and the second you might make a mistake and insert into the stitches space. This is wrong and this is not how you are supposed to insert. You should always insert into the stitches, under the stitches. So please be cautious and keep in mind that you are making your stitches in the right space to get the perfect look. In the next video, we will see how to make triple crochet.